How to change language setting in GoCrypto application for beginners. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we will be learning how you can easily change the language setting in app. First of all, launch open the GoCrypto application on your smartphone or tablet and make sure that you're logged into the main lobby screen of your account. From here, go to the settings icon at the top left corner and you'll be able to see the language option at the very top under settings. Tap on it to change to a different language of your preferences. Choose the language you want to change to from the list, and once you do that, go back to the main home screen and you'll be able to see your language changed immediately. That's it. You've successfully changed the language in GoCrypto app like a pro. Now the app should feel much easier and more comfortable to use. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.